So we are outside today showing our client this home. We won the bid on this property. Lovely home, ranch style. We are out here in Stone Mountain today. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, recently remodeled. Let's go ahead. Nice, lovely front porch. I'm gonna go ahead and go in. When you first come in, this is the living room. So when you first come in, let's see here, you have a bedroom. As soon as you come in the front door to the left, off the living room, then have your dining room area. This home is freshly painted, new carpet, move-in ready for our client. Let's see here, secondary bedroom. We got our client exactly what he asked for, move-in ready. He came to us looking to rent, and we done turned him into a home buyer. Didn't think he could do it, but we got it done and won the bid. Kitchen area. Stone countertops and backsplash. Let's see. The fixture. Full bathroom. Nicely remodeled. Pantry. Excuse me. Okay. This is laundry. This little sitting area in your master bedroom. It's in the back, away from everybody. This area you can use as a sitting area, and then that door leads into the washroom. But here's the master bathroom. A really nice area out here in Stone Mountain. They're building up a lot. Nice area, and it's all about location. Closet here, the bathroom. Nice size walk-in laundry room. Let's step out into the back. So this home, it has front and back porch. So you pick and choose. It's kind of like a corner lot. A lot of yard space. It has an extended driveway. As you can see, they're steady building. Nice property and nice location. Contact 2SLM for information on how we can get you into a lovely home. 678-664-9774. Thank you for viewing Homes Tours with 2SLM Properties.